If you are still wondering how to go live as a faceless channel, worry no more, because in this video I'm going to show you step by step how you can go live even as a faceless channel without showing your face. Now, one of the reasons why you should consider going live on your channel, especially if you are still trying to get monetized, is because live streaming is one of the biggest ways you can gather your 4,000 watch hours. If you go live the right way, if you do your live Restreams the right way, I guarantee you, you will gather your 4,000 watch hours in no time. So, before I share my dashboard, understand that even when you are going live as a faceless channel, you have to ensure that you are putting the necessary things in place. Now, for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to be using Restream. Of course, there are different softwares that you can use to do your live Restream in your faceless channel. But because I personally use Restream, this is why I'm going to be using Restream. So now, before we go ahead, what you need to go live as a faceless channel is have a video ready. Now, when I say have a video ready, I don't mean any random video. If you want to grow your channel the right way, ensure that whatever it is you are streaming is also in the same niche as your long form content. For the sake of this tutorial, we are going to assume that this faceless channel is a Bible motivation channel. All right. If I want to do a live stream on that particular channel, what I am going to do is to create like a normal video I would create normally for my long form video. But the only difference is I am going to generate this video using the portrait format, not landscape. Live streams are better when you stream in portrait format, okay, in the short format. So I will just create a Bible motivation video about 2 to 3 minutes long, because this tutorial I want to show is using the Restream free plan. So if your video exceeds more than 3-5 minutes, I think you will have to upgrade to the pro version. This is why I am going to assume in this tutorial that we are using the Restream free plan. All right, so you are going to create a very nice video. It has to be engaging, it has to be clear, motivational, educational. You have to be bringing some sort of value. All right, just because it's a live stream or a live Restream does not mean that you should just stream anyhow thing, stream a picture and expect people to watch. No, you are going to prepare your title, you are going to prepare your description, add the necessary hashtag. You are also going to prepare a thumbnail if you are planning to schedule that live stream ahead. It's always best to schedule your live streams. That way, people have the time to understand that you'll be going live, and you can also share the news that you'll be going live. All right. Once those things are ready, you will ensure that you have an account with Restream, of course. When you have done that, you're going to log into your Restream account. All right. So now when you get to your dashboard, all you are going to do, click on this plus sign that says new screen. We are going to tap on new screen. And then you are going to go to Restream Studio. So I have my camera off here because I'm already on camera. So that's that. And now the next thing to do is to add a scene. And of course, that video that you want to stream on your channel, ensure that you already save it somewhere on your laptop. Or if you are using your smartphone, make sure that the video is already saved up on your phone so that you can easily upload it. All right. So now we're going to say add scene here. You can see it here. I'll try to make this slow so that you all can catch up. Then add scene, and then you're going to click on media. You click on media, and then we are going to say video because we want to stream a video. Okay. We're going to upload a video. Now, you will have to go and upload a video from here. You click on upload, and then the video that you have saved on your laptop should be here. And then you select the file. And then once you select the file, it's going to upload and it's going to show up. All right. Because I already have some videos here, I'm just going to use one of the existing videos here. All right. So I'm going to choose this video. So you click on the video that you want to use. So there's this. I'm going to mute this video now because I don't want the audio to be affecting my talk. All right. So you upload the video here. Now here's where you have to pay good attention. All right. So now you see these 3 dots here. These 3 dots here. You want to make sure that you click it, and then it's going to give you the option to loop it. So looping the video enables you to stream your videos for 2 hours, 3 hours, 8 hours, but please do not stream more than 12 hours. Let your streams be maximum 11 hours, okay? So that YouTube will be able to process the data of that live stream and it will count for your watch hours. Otherwise, if you stream more than 12 hours, YouTube will not be able to process those data or those views, and it will all be for nothing. So now make sure you loop it. Very important. Now you are going to make sure that you are choosing the portrait format. Okay, don't use landscape, use portrait. Okay, use portrait. And then when you choose the portrait from this side, portrait, then you go over here and choose spotlight. So that way you have the complete video available and nothing affecting it like here. Okay, you don't want something to be showing here like this. So that's why you have to choose portrait and then spotlight. Okay, so once you have done that, now you have to optimize the stream simply by going over here. Put your title here, put your description here. Very important. Optimize it, add relevant hashtag. And here is where you upload your thumbnail. For example, I'm just doing this now just for example. Okay, upload your thumbnail. Very important. Okay, and then you click on update all. So now another important factor is to ensure that your channel is actually linked. Ensure that your channel is linked to your Restream account. I see that the surface of Restream has changed. They have done some updates. So you can see that here is where you can add or connect your channel. Okay, so if your channel is not showing up here, you just have to go through a few clicks to add your channel. All right, so now I'm going to connect my channel to it, or here you can add channels if your channel is not already added to your Restream account. So you add your channel. So once you add your channel there, then here is where you schedule it also. Okay, so now for the scheduling, you schedule it here. You can see schedule. Here is where you click to add your title, your description. Here is where you add your channels, and here you can schedule it, although you can still access the scheduling through this place here. So now if you want to schedule it, you just go ahead and add your dates and time. Okay, depending on your niche, you should know when is the best time to do your live streams. If it is in the morning, if it is in the evening, or at night. All right, so knowing when to go live on your channel will also help you get people to view your stream. Once we've done that, we click on next, and then you create your events. Okay, but because this is just a tutorial, I'm not actually going live. I'm just going to undo everything. Or if you do not want to schedule it, or you just want to upload your video, set it up, then you go live. Okay, you just click on go live. Basically, it doesn't take too much to go live as a faceless channel.